It's actually been working. My VO2 max jumped up to 34. According to my Apple Watch, my cardio fitness was so low, a VO2 max of 28 to be exact, which in my age range in the 20 to 29 category is considered not below average, but low. So I started doing this kettlebell swing ladder with a dumbbell to improve my cardio fitness and increase my VO2 max. I'm a strength girly. I've always hated cardio, but I know that's not good for me. So this only took me 20 minutes a day, and I thought I'd take on the challenge. At first it was really hard, and my heart rate hit all the way up to 191. Like, that never happens unless I feel like I am truly dying. Day one. I'm dying. But I kept on going in my many different workout outfits, and I've seen progress. I've been planning to do this challenge for about 30 days, but non-consecutive days so I can allow for rest days. I do the swing ladder exercise about 4 times a week with 2 rest days, and then once a week I actually go for a run. And here's where it gets juicy. I hate running. I have not run more than a mile or 2 in years. And get this, I ran 5 miles for the first time in like years. It's actually been working. My VO2 max jumped up to 34 from 29, and I'd say that's a pretty big deal for me. As fit as I thought I was being a weights girly, I am so proud of the cardio progress. I don't hate it now. I even created an 8-week guide to help you follow along with this challenge. If you want to drastically change your relationship with cardio, you gotta try this. Check out the link in my bio, and happy cardio!